Hey beauties, if you're looking to master that effortless clean girl aesthetic, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through my go-to routine for achieving that fresh, glowy look. Let's dive right in. First things first, hair. We want a sleek snatched bun. Even if it's the end of the week and your hair's a bit greasy, no worries. Start by dampening your hair. Apply some mousse and slick it back with a brush and a bit of water. Tie it with a scrunchie, and if you want extra lift, tie another scrunchie on top. Wrap any loose hair around the bun and secure. Use some hair slicker or edge control to tame those flyaways and baby hairs. Next up, skin prep. For that glossy, glowy skin, I start with a good moisturizer. I love using CeraVe cream. Don't forget to prep your lips with a lip maximizer serum. This step is crucial for that natural, flawless base. Now on to base makeup. The goal here is a natural no makeup look with just the right amount of coverage. I use IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream. It gives a beautiful glow and blends effortlessly with a brush. For concealer, we want to lift and brighten. I go for a lighter shade of Charlotte Tilbury concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, jawline and chin. Blend it in and enjoy that instant lifting effect. Time for some subtle definition with contour or bronzer. I prefer liquid products because they blend so easily. Just apply and blend, blend, blend. For that rosy, healthy flush, I use Kylie Cosmetics Cheek Balm. Apply it on your cheeks, eyelids and the tip of your nose. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes to really settle in. Now let's talk brows. The aim is natural and fluffy. Lightly fill in any sparse areas, focusing on the tail. Finish with a brow gel to keep them in place and looking full. To set everything and brighten under the eyes, I use a loose powder. Apply it with a large powder puff and lightly dust over your face. Then for that subtle glow, tap some highlighter onto the high points of your face using your fingers. For the lips, we want them to look natural yet defined. Overline with a lip liner and finish with a lip treatment. This way, you don't have to worry about lipstick smudging or transferring. Finally, enhance your lashes. Curl them and apply mascara. Aim for a natural, slightly winged look, nothing too overdone. Seal the deal with a setting spray to keep everything in place, and there you have it. A simple routine to nail the clean girl aesthetic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks. I'm grateful for all your support, especially those facing challenges like celiac disease. You're amazing, and I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, stay beautiful.